ichance ikanya bate kwethira bae igakungana the things that young people beke leadership bomba kuthithia mantu jama ingine jama nene muno apart from guteaga bala bagu improve wrong bangi bagi improve right. The same way nyaba baba kuru kwi bala bakubua na kwi bala bate kubua na ndem akona nto baba ethe jaba gwita gwitonge nontu kwi nyaba baba kuru baero kanya bukiuga gwebyo bena bio kwethera na ndibo nyaba ere was kabisa inyake bala bate nabio so atikirie atwentuke mbele kanya atogerie try leadership young people na ingwetikia the future of this country ililike mtu mwithi tukenda kwalia umatama na nditwe atongerie babe thikanya ituba prove no mwae wakanya ko we prove athukia igajukirwa in general nini like bau bange bonde batiumba no every mtu rae wakanya zani divinju alemwa blame ne la escoyale kiwe wenka at a personal level ikethireri general that antu babethi batikumba antu babethi bayate proven na ba oneka ibakumba
right
yeah.
Tugeta nambere kidogo kwina mantu jegie siasa cha vyama on your part no itakania na mantu jegie siasa ichi vyama itwanete kinya nationally tanyere erware munini wa rais Rigathi Gachagua akiuga mantu za vyama akaja na kiama gati kiamene itukuona rais William Ruto kwa vyama ko gira bitonya ndene Kenya kwanza pengine ugono thiro togotonya siasa ne na kinyambere tutonya ruone no mbere kwa kiama rungi akika last time na still bado mingi wetike no kuchwa no kuthoja na kutegera no itakania na siasa cha vyama
ambuge atiri mutuma iboya kanya iki uri kiu ambuge oju mbere mbuge thingo itakania bia siasa cia vyama kante ko itakania cio ambuge asiasa veteran politicians bala baruirire multipartyism kana wijibo bya mabibi ingi ibathirite gintu kemana sana no ntugategera previously kwari na kiama kimwaki kire gitagwo KANU na in other election yeja kagita kau either withre weka no ne ka utikuburu lakini ira itali democracy para bagitobulira baruja era multipartyism na bau baba inge veteran politicians bau ibategete bona kwenance democracy we must have multi-party system to welcome multi-partyism to welcome byama bibingi no gukwethia kwena different views no gukwethia kwena different ideas and to confined gwetaira amwere onde so the idea kwethia byama bibingi eri ideas sawa muno na ikyo wonere fight to the nail mwanka to achieve multi-partyism ndene ndigurweji yetu ya Kenya lakini nyatha hii tukwenda choka ki multi-partyism no ntule leo kuona formation ya coalitions ukethera ukijuke byama 10 ukibie kaira amweri then abakwenda kwethia abakwenda kuona ni ote essence yale go fight for multi-partyism kana kwethia kwena urubo byama bibingi no tunanda abakwenda tuchokia la tene ujuke byama obitano obimajibie kyama kimwe ujuke binge bara olonge ajuke binge bitano abimajibie kyama kimwe unte gwitekania bu na ukeja kwethe nya kuombeka sheria batere gutungwa ki political parties act through national parliament na baka discourage issue nye go form coalitions no ntuli niwe gutuma nande tukethia twina thineji when it comes ke issues chabiam turona arwa nande speaker akirwa koti ekiuga no ntubwa majingi bathithitie byama bibingi kagita ga election that UDA te yale na majority leader ndene parliament icho kona issues wiki amaje atere party chair of freedoms party chair of freedoms yayo orere enshrined ge political parties act isheje kuja ku form coalitions ne kuleta confusions iji chonde na baba na bwa thirikari je thaye gukaraje kwenda kuraga byama kwenda kwa byama political parties freedom no gona political parties by the protected in office register wa political parties then ukeje kuthia gutari na essence uthia wena byama bibingi nyo office je register of political parties itinge kwithirere ale so ni nduga atiri in my own view and they goreje wathani bwa iji ibo tekuraga twama na ndi ikorora ni mathakaru atirejire na kiama kingi Rigathi Gachagua atu form kiama kingi iu freedom like lakini tutaka coin maya utako ne jama tuaja mero na ndikira ki utwa tani kuga kiama twejire twethe na mbasi twakarakara mbasi yenu etana ire ankorwe kiama kira getagwa APK mbas the old bus
Yes.
na nde ikupata kuithira kwina freedom ya political parties na antu ibati express freely mtu natonye kiamene kiria kwenda lakini ande aishije kugeria kumaji ikuraga democracy na multipartyism kaora na within no time tukaendelea then tukachokala twale okuru kukethiri kiama kimwe ikyo mtu onde agosifu wo marori na yundi ye kana kiria gikethira ngerikyo kagita kau lakini freedom ya vyama bingi sasa nontu ni utuma mtu antu baketha bena different opinions na bokomba go express buri different political parties bwega.
All right.
Yeah.
Ntuko inka ithiri tukebera kire mantu jegie biama still non to bakinyapa madhaje tu. Ntuko inka ithiri kwe a very young person kinyawe na roaga ira giteke MCA kuma kijiko bunge kimwe kia county ya Meru. Na nejira atariria mantu kathomba na uga araia gento ageria kwariria mutongeria wa gento getebui mutongeria wa muringara thimu amuri mbeca ingano kwenda ageria kumukoswa akamwira akona thimu ne wabo tamirwa mbeca siasa cia mbeca chie kubado chikuendelea in terms that actually na he showed me everything now agamboni orago ataringaringa mashimo kidogo kama utongeria we amwira naruninga no kwenda ukire I don't know on your part mantu ya siasa cia mbeca cirioka na mantu itakaja gweta jetiga wa je gichoka
siasa cia mbeca utirika ura na ili inya siasa cietu cia setero cia eremani oriented lekana inya thaiji gote siasa ikuendelea thaiji mbuga mbeca igukaria development like ogeria kuga barabara tibu yoga yani like igukirua but igwathukire na nte gwitike uga change kairi na tena jamiro ake Kenya yonte siasa cia mbeca ciatonyera ntu sana like thaiji ogete wina the best manifesto ever wina the best ideas ile chomba inya ku move one year yakwa tugeja bwanganje for example but no kuona ni kwa vigumu kuendelea nto your ideas when you don't have money no kuona so siasa cia mbeca itonyete na educate meri everywhere ikyo kuona na ruo nyele kana siasa ni ile tugwita kwariria nto twibenda ile manifesto twibera tukathithio ju antu baraba kuthikairo kibara iria nkwenda kugira Mutuma Mtetezi ciama ndaja ukeja gwitha wena antu igano kibara iria ukibenda ile manifesto eku ukibonagio uri ugateithia mwanga ndeja ni mwaki nkibera na nde tujite kuthithio ju noju umenya antu baba tithaira bathikirite speech nukumenya ara banja irio thikira speech banja irio thikira speech rero kabera atiri na nde nkurikia nukuigwa nkurikia na nde akuba kwenda ukurikia speech ukurikia uri kubera na nde barenda kuigwa next after kurikia kubariria imbi next nukuona na most expectation ni onde ne atiri akwenda obera atiri na nde tebutiga na onto nyabo kundikira na mpaka anya kende na ngirie kana aja mbutigire nukuona na nde itwatonyere au na siasa cia mbeca cia sinkere na inyo gukuga na kwari ethere MP kana wewe baka muthithiria bungi ntumba kurega na nonto antu barabati development oriented kana baraba kumenya utike bothithia completely utikio the only way ira barivati na ndege tactics jaiu walia ugakira yani kunyamazisha tu wapinzani bao na kubera itu alie yani kumwaga maguta iliali wewe ngona kumenya buru itu wale utubuleo so siasa jaiu ile ntumba kugaiteo although those are the kind of politics that tugoite tukatiga nacho kabisa nontu tukendelea na ndego praise atongeria mwankali tukendelea ku praise menya mbuto mlaini maendeleo tukwenda uko ijalengi na etete antu twamanira barabara yengi gwetu na ugagita way back inya before election 2022 and ulamo atongeria bathithiri gutumira very few people mpesa ne yani na kugere kubera babwe inya borwa mantu barabara eu buge barabara eu ne thithitwe bwega na ibo bwasainire bwiro course na ibo bwa approve that barabara eu ne thithitwe bwega no kuona siasa jaiu siasa retrogressive politics iri gutuchoke nyuma every now and then antu bakamenya atwebera siasa jaiu nontuli woria barabara wekirwo 5,000 na ndiri inyo ngo ira no kuria nonto at the end of the day nonto gachagua tauga mbeca iu nyote batere kuiringanira mbeca ciaku cianja nontuli ugwe ondi eu cry antu mbuga igana antu igana abakurira lakini nagwe nande ukuriba ati kujukia gantu gaga kaikendo kira na perhaps Mulungu mbuga igwatumirite oteria antu bauthuru kwaria gwaku nukuona so iwi siasa imbe mono na ichigo tuchoke nyuma aja Meru na inya Kenya yonde ko antu bakomba atushana away from such kind of politics not at the end of it all no tukulerana na mbuga kibatere kwethia gikitharimo instinct
right nonto mothajo tubona Faustin kidogo nkenda wariria uritaugya bakumuthia lakini before uritaugya bakumuthia kidogo maybe something to our leaders then Meru County kuma geseneta governor MCs na wajumbe atongire babeto umbobera atia kuringana na ora tukari before na ndin kwa kanyaga kutauga bakumuthia
oni mbuga na ngauga leo ndatire Mutuma mbuga ngauga ethia no eterie kanya itera ntongogi nonto kwe muntu toko the best nyethero leo kwe very many other best peoples i chance to tumba kuona twinde twithira tuli position ineu yaku so in your own unique way ore oromba gura na wale na manifesto yaku ugwe do your best Murungu inyaga kutharima nokona thine ria twina siasa bakurera ana sana nonto bokuthiria very fake promise na gucetha na maisha yantu na waigwa mtu akaragirira akiuga ura agakara ura akathithia menya ngo maisha yaku toka yomba kwithira jabui kwa wethira we senator thithia kira gikuigio kwithira we senate siasa icha gutinda kuthiuruka na aja twibanga 2027 na instead tubatere thai kwithira twi focus na development iwi siasa itutethia unenku ankorombo mtu ututale na manifesto weromba kura kagite ikejite in 2 years time na bakagwe meangeda wetigere actually nyete ko bombo 1 and some months ichi itigere so wananchi bejete gukujanje na manifesto yaku wewe jira uganga chali ukathithia ugaka industry angana ukathithia so unegethera risk kandi tukethia twinayo bado tule wananchi twigutikaira na bakathugania wananchi baba mamia akili muno apa mobeka bakale baya moba printa nya manifesto na bagachie kanyomba bakaenda bagachi analyze year by year so whatever you told people make sure you live to your wants na ingwetikia tukalio tukona maendeleo na ala gutina atukaendelea kuinya bado tukathithiria anto civic awareness na education tuba anto betu baga batige kumia nkoro muno twagerio bathomithia nontu twibathomithia gintu twibathithire civic education kenda bomba kwire position ira bali na ura mantu jetite bado tukaelithia antu ibu tukabathomithia na tuboni ethira ikubui na gutibui nabo atukubaromba tubaga twalistening bakathikira tuna bakaigwa lakini antu nyabongo no bakwa affected mantu yonda na ibakona choice ni ya 2027 baga tumakira uniandirie
all right
ndethiria nkiugo jo Meru netu na tutina Meru ingi kwa ugwe ethira no ikanya we Mutongeria itira antu baku ngugi ora ndauga toka we the best ni ula tutumba kuthia tu MCs antu igana bawandi mu tesa sawa so ethira no imagine the best ke election so just live by your wants itira antu ngugi nonto as I have said scorecard yaku ukamakirwo na 2027 so oni mwaki ambere antu betu bamonga ndia twendere kumaniria atwendere ku walk the journey together 2027 Murungu atwikite bwega tukeje tugerio garura no tukogaruruku kala twenda kuthithia gatonekere kagita kau na nyathai kulingana na ora mantu jakali tukugeria ku analyze for quite long tona bando tutakinyara twendete gukinya but Murungu atwakanya 2027 mwaki nkethe ankiromba kura kairi bado nikenda kiroto kira giako giari giotethia mwanga nje tumba gukiendereithia kwa mpenderea Meru kagita gakega na Murungu abutharime na bwe mwanka jumweka
right
yeah.
Thank you so much Faustin ingwetika tukagweta kairi na kairi kuthuja mantu jegie Utongeria rabotete na mbere na kagite na gakataja maingiza kwarua jegie kiotum kidogo toye bera mantu jegie gambara rithiro gita na mbere ria kumenya kadra gavana kadro gita na mbere no thani kana ateta na vu kidogo tutikwaria jau sana no timantu je kotini lakini thank you so much ikuzenya rukiro naru Watagari au na toka nyamudia jo turinge ime ntuku na rombe dronge kwandagira kagita kake gatogacha mana kaire ntuku ya rojo arankendro kana ntuku ya juma tatu aratu kadra turena mugeni wetu wa Kuthuja mantu jege siasa mugeni wetu akadra umete nterechia egembe no mwabara bako bethagirwa baki roira kana baki meria matagete kya mujumbe nterechia egembe tukadra turena ntuku ya juma tatu aja ndene ya turinge edro ore kagita kakega eje Nemero TV no mbeta Dennis Mutuma
Ugeja kwithira no gucho antu aega akorea agonywa ona kuthithiria michemanio ukabio na bionthe Pix Hotel na Nyuki. Pix Hotel ni thagirwa iri na nyomba cia kurara na inthongi cia mithembe thatu Standard, Superior na Executive. Koroki kuri na nyomba cia michemanio chiomba kujuki kundi bianto magana jairi rooftop nayo ni thagirwa iri na gukara na ukionaga Mount Kenya Abadeas Rages na Lodaiga Hills. Kairi Pix Hotel ni thagirwa iri na gym, swimming pool ya roji rwa murutera, steam bath, sauna, ona massage na beauty parlor, outdoor fitness center nayo iri na kieni kia michetho na team building, kuthithia michemanio, merano ona biatho. Oku ukethiro na low ropes, high ropes, zipline na outdoor gym. Anto bomba kuthithia camping na maema oku. Pix Hotel bali na kambi mwitone jo Mount Kenya naria baikagianto kuthithia forest camping na kuthoma mantu jama ingija guchia kakirime karie na mitorire. Nkroki ni babangaga gwitia kirima kia Mount Kenya Mwanka Point Elenana iria iri mita ngirinya magana kenda ja 85 kuma level ya area. Pix Hotel na Nyuki iri kilomita 3 mbere ya gukinya tauni ya Nanyuki umite Bwamero. Kumenya manto nkroki ringa thimu gukurukira 0711 969 690 kana 0782 426 689. Email ni info@pixhotel.co.ke na website ni www.pixhotels.co.ke. Pix Hotel na Nyuki, beauty and taste with nature.
Mumero itwakwigire wirane ati kagita konde ntugo chionde
tukenza nkuri enkwego na gukirania mpingo
na kubura mpingero na gukinya ibingithio
kwenjela ibobi ukinyithiria nteto ora cio tukinyela
moroto wetu na kumenyithia monthe mara makuthina mbere nturani yaku ndeni ya nthiguru na kinya ome ya nthiguru tukinyite mpige kwagirithia wirane bobo.
Mumero augire waiwoge mpe kamutomwa kuri na nkireba iri na mungenyo niria iri na mwambukirie
no tubo nikio gitumi turi Meru TV twirebete na biashara beto waka karamata turi amwe kumatia uguri na wendia thokone cietu.
Meru TV ni twititinkathi kwagirithia uthomi na wandiki bwetu bwa nteto turi ruone na mwankali wa ngine cietu cio kamati.
Kawethire bambitani famina zwa Kimathi watanea nani kirimetha yetu ya ndeto ntugo chionde cha Jumapili Jumatatu na Jumaine ngikumenyire bora kurikire metha yetu ya ndeto ugoro na chentu chia Jumatano na Aramisi owatane nani turikane kire mubango waturinge emerukiri tukirira mangatheti na kumurika bora mugongo othiete na mbere ake agakire Meru TV
ogwatangira nani Dennis Mutuma ntuko chionde cha Jumatatu na Jumanne ndeni nteto cha Meru TV rukiri Nkoroki tochamani ntuko chionde cha Jumatano na Aramisi kiri nteto cha Meru TV ogoro
Watandira na uni terimbabu kuma Jumatatu mwanka Alamisi kiri nteto cha Meru TV mudenyangu kumenyezi urakuri
Watandira nani Jeri wa Cheupe ntuko chionde cha Juma na Jumamosi ngekuretera nteto cha Meru TV ogoro na ntuko ya Jumapili kiri mubango lwa rumuri rwa siasa
Je, unatafuta elimu bora yenye ujuzi wa kipekee? Karibu Embu College, chuo kinachoongoza katika taaluma mbalimbali. Tunasajili wanafunzi waliopata C kufanya diploma, D kufanya certificate na waliopata D minor na E kufanya artisan courses. Jisajili leo ili upate kufanya courses zifuatazo: School of Accounting and Business, School of Engineering, School of ICT and Computer Science, School of Education, School of Cosmetology, Caregiver Training, Driving courses na zinginezo. Wanafunzi wetu wamekubalika kufanya mtihani wa NEC, SIDAC na ule wa NITA. Tunajivunia vilabu na jamii za wanafunzi zenye msisimko na zinazosaidia kukuza vipaji vyako, uongozi na mtandao wa marafiki wa maisha. Wahitimu wetu ni vinara katika sekta mbalimbali, wakiongoza na kuleta mabadiliko makubwa. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu kupitia 0721 152 709 au 0741 871 257. Au tembelea website yetu ili uweze kujiunga nasi. Embu College, skills to go places. Soro ya mwathani yerekerete RGM lare Jumapili eje.
Hallelujah, amen. Mukari warare nirio riu nande Meru TV mubango juko kumia na There FM mubango jo meta itwejete lare kungo au kwenu na itugo kugwata ogeni ndeni ya kanisa ya Righteousness of God Ministry ile tongeretwe ni Reverend Ibrahim.
Tutakuwa live Meru TV hapa kanisani, kanisa ya RGM ukifika Lare
muthenya jo kiumia giki mweri jwa kathato aratukethira tuli live ndeni ya TV yetu ya Meru TV ngakugwata ugeni kuma ntere mwanya awije twigoro teto turi amwe tukenanire amwe na nkruki tumenyane amwe rietwenere Yesu Kristo ejano kejori wenka karibuni sana.
Jeni nyumba ya baba ya RGM tokumie
Mana niko tuli nimetulia we unagabaya
Nwethere gichwana aria ukagura mabati ija kuimba nyumba yaku na style kwenda Duralong Mabati Factory Limited toriaje ni ondobu waku nitondagia mabati jarangi mwanya na jamithemba mwanya ta Duralong Tile, Box Profile, Durahome kana corrugated, Duralong Roman Tile na magorija kuguna mukojo waku.
Beta wa Muthomi kuma Duralong Mabati ni operations manager arengende quality control officer. Duralong Mabati tubwetha cia mabati ya mithemba mwanya na rangi mwanya kuna rangi ya blue, charcoal grey ni ringi mbingi rowisi. Tubwetha cia no accessories yayo ya ridges tunaona kinya misumari na rubber washers. Tuita mabati yetu kulingana na ithimi bya nyumba yeku.
Nkoroki netukamataira ateja betu mabati mwankamochi Duralong tore Isiolo barabareni ya kuerekera Isiolo Airport. Kumenya manto nkoroki toriongere bichine chieto kana toringere dimo okorokera 0110 581 292. Duralong Mabati Factory Limited. Tested, approved and trusted. ugeja kwithira nuguchwa antu aega akuria agonywa ona kuthithiria michemanio ukabiona bionthe Pix Hotel na nyuki. Pix Hotel ni thagirwa iri na nyomba cia kurara na inthongi cia mithemba ithatu: standard, superior na executive. Koroki kuri na nyomba cia michemanio ciomba kuju gikundi bianto magana jairi. Rooftop nayo ni thagirwa iri na gwakara na ukionaga Mount Kenya, Aberdares Ranges na Lodaiga Hills. Kairi Pix Hotel ni thagirwa iri na gym, swimming pool ya ruji rwa murutera, steam bath, sauna, ona massage na beauty parlor. Outdoor fitness center nayo iri na kieni kia michetho na team building, kuthithia michemanio, mirano ona biatho. Oku ukethirwo na low ropes, high ropes, zipline na outdoor gym. Anto bomba kuthithia camping na maema oku. Pix Hotel bali na kambi mwitone jo Mount Kenya, na aria baikagia anto kuthithia forest camping na kuthoma mantu jama ingija guchia kakirime karie na miturire. Nkoroki ni babangaga gwitia kirima kia Mount Kenya mwanka point elenana iria iri mita ngirinya magana kenda ja 85 kuma level ya area. Pix Hotel na nyuki iri kilomita 3 mbere ya gukinya tauni ya Nanyuki umite Bwamero. Kumenya manto nkoroki ringa thimu gukorokira 0711 969 690 kana 0782 426 689. Email ni info@pixhotel.co.ke na website ni www.pixhotels.co.ke. Pix Hotel na nyuki, beauty and taste with nature.
What time they say they're coming?
It's 4 p.m. They should be here. Oh my God, they're here. Papa, they're here. Hello, welcome.
Thank you.
Hi, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Please, sit.
My colleague and I were from Faithia Gourmet Academy. So we are here to rate your cooking skills and how you handle your work pressure.
She's ready.
Yes, I'm ready.
Hello. Hi. Oh, hi. Good day.
Good day.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you for coming.
You're welcome. I noticed you both live here. It would be good to address you together.
Sorry, no, she doesn't stay here. I don't know why she used this address.
See.
Please ignore her. Like I was saying before you came in, I'll be rating your cooking skills and your work pressure. So I'll give you points and I'll allow one of your family members to give you one also. So are you ready for me?
Yes. Yes.
I am ready.
So, you get started?
Oh, yes, please.
Good.
Yes, let's go. Ready.
Miss Rebecca, what do you have for us today?
I made spaghetti.
Oh, okay. Let's have it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, baby.
Thank you. You're welcome. Yes, please. This is so perfect. The sauce, the taste, the richness of the meal is so nice.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mom.
Babe, this is really good. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Do we keep eating or?
No, please, let's taste the other meal.
Oh, okay. Let me clean my palate.
And Miss Nancy, what do you have for us, please?
I made risotto alman.
What did you call it again?
Risotto alman.
Okay, let's have it.
Thank you, Dad.
Here you go, ma'am.
Thank you. Mr. Dari, what do you think?
I think it's good.
Mr. Dari, I see what you did there. The is all over it. Yeah, not bad. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I think it's okay.
It's okay, Mr. Dari. It's well. Miss Rebecca, we'll be giving you 9 for this delicious meal. Oh my God! Oh my God! Thank you! Thank you so much! Thank you so much, sir. You're welcome. And for you, Miss Nancy, we'll be giving you 7. You tried. Yeah, you really tried.
Thank you so much.
And this is not the end of the competition. You should check your email every time.
Definitely.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
You sure you don't want me to pack something for you?
No.
There's more where that came from.
No, thank you.
Oh, you sure?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I will see you all now.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. God is faithful. Dad, really? Really?
What did I do?
I mean, what didn't you do? You disappointed me. You chose your woman over me.
I didn't do that, but you heard what the judges said, right?
Daddy, why can't you just see what she's trying to do here? Why can't you just see it? I mean, what kind of woman calls your daughter a slut the first time she's meeting her?
Well, I didn't know that you were his daughter.
And you, when you found out that I was interested in this competition, you insisted that you were going to be a part of it, right?
That's not true.
But that's true. Because if you cared about me just a little bit, you would have dropped out and let me compete.
Even if I had dropped out, there's no guarantee that you're going to win.
Well, only because you wanted to win against me, isn't it?
Nancy, stop. There's nothing wrong with her competing with you.
You see what I'm talking about?
Because I don't understand.
You see what I'm talking about? You're defending her. Yes, you are. You're always defending her. Fine. You know what? It's fine. You win. You can have him. You've always wanted him, right? You can have him. You can have my dad. You can have the culinary school. You can have everything. I'm done.
Am I supposed to leave my school because I'm dating your father?
What are you talking about?
Nancy, stop this nonsense. What are you doing? It's just a competition.
And I said it. And I said she won. She won. You both can go ahead and have the perfect life you always wanted without me in it.
Nancy. What is cutting into this girl?
You know, I really don't know why she's acting like a spoiled brat.
My child is not a small brat. Don't say that.
The way you always there, the way you always here. It's the way you love my flaws and all. You're the reason I stand tall. Oh, you're the reason. If I could paint the way that I feel now, it'd be colors no one ever sees.
Wait. Nancy. Come on, Nancy, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Leave me alone.
What are you doing? Nancy, leave this up. Pumpkin, come here. What are you doing? Can you wait? Nancy, I'm talking to you. Nancy, Pumpkin. Why are you putting me in a tight spot? Why are you doing this? This is not fair.
What am I doing? When you chose her over me, right? Then go be with her, I'll be fine.
3 months. 3 months is when your mother left me. And I've been your father. I've taken care of you every single day. I've been your father, I've been your friend. I've been everything to you. What more do you want? You know I like Becky.
You like her? You like her at my expense?
At your expense? Nancy, have you ever said to me, what do you want? What do you like? Papa, what do you like? What makes you happy? Have you said that to me once?
But Dad, this woman has nothing to offer you. She's just competitive, and the worst of it is that she doesn't understand me. She doesn't even love me.
Nancy, have you taken time to know this lady? Since she came, you have disliked her. Not once have you said, okay, let me try to know her. Let me try to be with friends with her or something.
Papa, don't do that. That's not fair. Don't do that. It's not fair.
Angel, please, listen to me. Don't make me have to choose. Because I will always choose you. And you know that. Don't make me have to choose between both of you.
No, that's not true. You won't choose me. It's a lie.
Pumpkin, what is it going to be? You want to walk out on your papa?
Is this what we're doing now? Blackmail? That so you'd rather blackmail me than listen to what I have to say?
Pumpkin.
Heard your heart talking out loud. Your love is asking for more, but I don't have all it takes to love you. But I will try to give my all. So this is over, I'll be hoping for touch your heart, and I will love you till I'm weak and gray. I'm gonna love you till I die. So this is over, I'll be hoping for touch your heart,
Hey, waiter. Hi. I see you jogging on this road almost every morning.
Well, I see you too.
And I keep saying to myself, like, this pretty lady, what exactly is going on? You look good, you're fit. What exactly are you trying to lose?
Well, I would say my stupid heart. It seems I keep falling in love with the wrong guys.
I see. I tell you what. What if I race for your heart? If I win, your heart is mine.
You know you're crazy, eh? Okay.
What's it gonna be?
Let's go.
Okay. Let's go.
All right.
On your marks.
On your mark.
On your marks.
You sure you want to do this?
Yeah.
Get set.
Yeah.
Na 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 na. There is no mountain higher. If you were someone stronger, tell your heart you can make it, of course. There is no greater troubles. You can solve all your hurdles. Reach ahead and have courage to fight.
Babe.
This love is yours, the journey. You step on stones and
Babe, you need to come to the bedroom.
Yeah. Bex, you know that I love you, right?
And I love you too.
To me, you're the perfect woman for me. I don't want anyone else.
Okay.
But baby, you also know that I have a daughter. And I love her. And she means the world to me.
Okay. Where are we going with this conversation?
All I'm saying is, I want both of you to live in peace. Please.
You know, I'm not the reason why we're not living in peace. Why am I to blame for your daughter's misconduct? Tari, she doesn't like me. She doesn't want me. She doesn't think I'm good enough for you.
Max,
That's why she's acting out.
I know all of that.
Oh, you do?
Yes. All I'm saying is make sacrifices for me. Please, just accommodate her.
By sacrifice, you mean draw my blood? Because I don't understand why I'm to blame for her actions.
Max.
I'm trying my best.
Max, please, listen. You're important to me, she's important to me. Both of you, I need you to live in peace. I am growing gray hair here.
You know, this is a relationship. The reason, the essence for a relationship is for two people to get to know each other, which is what we're doing. I'm getting to know you, you're getting to know me. I really pray it works, but if it doesn't, I'm not saying that's where we're headed. I'm just saying that I do not appreciate you pushing me into where you're trying to push me to.
So, in this relationship, you don't think she should be in the equation?
She is. I'm not at fault here.
Bex.
You know what? I will just go back upstairs and you will come when you're ready.
Who's that?
Baby, it's me. Can we talk?
Dad, what do you want?
I want us to talk, Nancy.
Look, I'm tired. I don't have energy to argue with you anymore. I just want to sleep.
Nancy, please, just listen to me, okay? I want us to be one big family, all of us together.
One big family? Dad, that is only going to happen in your dreams. With that woman, never.
Nancy, please.
Good night, Dad.
I love you. Good night.
Through the shadows, I'll find my way. Every scars and every tears. Oh, I hope that bring me closer to you. And I hope I make it through. Oh, I hope I make it through.
Babe. Babe.
So I'll keep walking on this path, though my walk gone is cold and weak. I hope someday I'll find my peace. Through the shadows, I'll find my way. Every scars and every tears. Oh, I hope that bring me closer.
Why is his phone switched off? I personally charged that phone myself. But I charged the phone last night. I mean, this is so strange. We didn't even pray this morning. Is he angry? Could he be angry? Oh.
Scars and every tears. Oh, I hope that bring me closer to you.
Babe.
To you.
Babe.
And I hope I make it.
Nancy, have you seen your dad?
Good morning to you too.
Nancy, good morning. Please, have you seen your dad?
You slept with him last night, right? And you guys made love. Wait, is it that me being upset turns you on?
Will you just stop it? What is wrong with you?
I will not stop it. Get your things and leave this house. I don't want you here. We don't want you here.
Nancy, you're not listening. Your dad is not in this house. He's not picking his calls and I don't know where he's gone. Can you at least be serious?
Well, he's an adult. He's a grown man. He stepped out.
His phones are turned off.
He turned them back on.
Nancy, your father never turns off his phones.
Well, now he did. Please, can I have my breakfast in peace? Or do you want me to leave the kitchen for you two? Since you want everything that Nancy has.
You're lucky I didn't raise you.
Come on, ask me. After sleeping with somebody, ask me where it is. A grown man cannot go out again. You ask me, no, he's in my mouth. Insecure rat. One minute this morning.
We will never break. We will never shake. No matter what.
Rebecca, where's my dad? I mean, you both slept together last night. So how come you're telling me you can't find him? How does that make any sense?
Okay, so finally, we're ready to address the issue. You know, instead of asking me stupid questions, why don't we find out who your dad is friends with so we can call them? Maybe he went there.
Look at you. You call yourself my father's girlfriend, yet you don't know that he doesn't have any friend.
I don't have time for your insults this morning.
Hi, DJ. Please, is my dad with you? Okay, thank you. Sorry. He's not there.
I mean, how can he just leave the house without telling anyone?
Did you guys fight?
No, we didn't. Okay? He just insisted that you and I live in peace. And then he...
And then he what?
He came to your room. So I should be asking you, madam, what did you tell my man so bad that would make him leave the house without telling anyone?
So now it's my fault? You're
yes,
blaming
it's
me?
your freaking fault. An adult like you, behaving like a child, a little spoilt brat.
Stop it right there.
Stop.
Don't you dare scold me.
Why will I not scold you?
I'm not a spoiled brat. Don't do that.
You are a freaking spoiled brat.
Better go and find my father. Go and find him, because I don't know what you did to him. Rubbish. Better go and find my dad.
Look at this one. You don't even know what's happening out there. Spoiled thing.
Talking out loud. Your love is asking for more, but I don't have all it takes to love you. But I will try to give my all. So this is over, I'll be hoping for touch your heart, and I will love till I'm weak and gray. I'm gonna love you till I die. So this is over, I'll be hoping for touch your heart, and I will love you till wider than the sky. Every beat of my heart whispers.
Hey, where are you going?
What do you mean, where am I going? I'm going to look for your dad. Where? It doesn't matter where. I'll just drive around, anything.
I'll go with you.
I really don't think it's a good idea.
What? How do you mean? It's my father we are talking about here. Let's go, please. Let's go.
Wider than the sky. Every beat of my heart whispers your name, but I cannot explain. No, I cannot explain. It's the way you dream, the way you care, the way you always there, the way you always here.
I think I overreacted. He asked me to open the door for him, and I refused. What if something bad has happened to my dad?
Just calm down. Nothing will happen to him.
How do you know that? My papa barely goes a day without talking to me, and now it's been 2 days. You know what? I think we should file a police report.
We can't file a police report. The police says we can't file a report until after 48 hours. So let's wait. Tomorrow we will.
48 hours? What if something bad has happened to him? What if he's in danger right now and he needs us to save him? 48 hours is too late now. Let's go. I don't know. What are we going to do now? What do we do?
You know, your dad is the sweetest man I've ever met. It's so crazy. He told me he had a daughter, but I never thought that it was a grown-ass woman like you. And maybe I didn't handle the situation better. Maybe I should have behaved differently. Maybe I should just leave and let you guys be and never come back.
Exactly. Leave. I mean, ever since you came into our lives has been upside down. And that's a bad omen. My father and I has always lived in peace. Till you came, until now we've been fighting and fighting because of you. And you know the truth? I don't even like you.
Well, I don't even like you too. The feeling is mutual.
Where are you going? You haven't found my dad. Where do you think you're going? Hey! What are you doing? Open the door! You're leaving me here!
I can't explain the way that I love you. It's deeper than the ocean. It's wider than the sky. Every beat of my heart whispers your name, but I cannot explain, no, I cannot explain. I can't explain the way that I love you. It's deeper than the ocean. It's wider than the sky. Every beat of my heart whispers your name, but I cannot explain, no, I cannot explain. It's the way you cannot explain, no. I cannot explain. I can't explain the way that I love you. It's deeper than the ocean. It's wider than the sky. Every beat of my heart whispers your name, but I cannot explain, no. I cannot explain. Oh, every beat of my heart whispers your name. I cannot explain. I cannot explain. Every beat of my heart whispers your name. I cannot explain. Oh, I cannot explain.
Papa,
How are you?
Papa, where have you been? Where did you go? You had me worried. Papa, you scared me. What happened? Are you okay? Eh?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Look, are you angry with me? Why did you leave like that now? You had me worried. Papa, don't do that again. Are you okay?
Yeah, good.
Okay, yeah. Papa, guess what? I have good news for you. Guess now. The witch has finally gone. She packed her bags and left, and I'm so happy about that. Are you not happy about that?
Yeah.
Well, now we can have our lives back and be happy just like we used to be. Don't you like it?
Yes.
Yes.
We can have our lives back too.
Oh, Papa, thank you. I missed you. Please don't ever do that again. Don't ever leave without telling me where you're going. Okay, Papa, are you hungry? Let me make you something to eat.
No, I'm fine. I just want to go up and shower and rest.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Let me just go with you then.
No. It's okay.
So are you okay?
Yeah.
Through the shadows, I'll find my way. Every scars and every tears. Oh, I hope that bring me closer to you. To you. And I hope I make it through. Oh, I hope I make it through. That I have learned, I hope they'll bring me close to you. So I'll keep walking on this path, though my wagon is old and weak. I hope someday I'll find my peace. Through the shadows, I'll find my way. Every scars and every tears. Oh, I hope that bring me closer to you, and I hope I make it through. Oh, I hope I make it through to you. Oh, I hope I find my scars and every tears. Oh, I hope they bring me closer to you. And I hope I make
Nothing.
Papa, what do you mean by nothing? This is not how you usually are. Something is wrong. Talk to me. Okay, please, tell me what's going on. You're not going to go to work today?
No.
Papa, why? You didn't even go to work yesterday.
Because I didn't feel like going.
Come on, Papa, I'm worried about you. What's going on? Talk to me, please.
Don't be worried, I'm good.
Okay, fine, Papa. You know what? I made your favorites, okay? Come, let's go and eat.
I'm not hungry.
Papa, you haven't eaten in 2 days. What's going on? Papa, stop now. Papa, talk to me, please.
I'm good. Okay.
Papa.
Heard your heart talking out loud. Your love is asking for more, but I don't have all it takes to love you. But I will try to give my all. So
Papa? Papa? Papa, really? What's going on? Do you want to starve yourself? You didn't even touch your food.
I'm simply just not hungry.
Papa, why are you doing this now? Papa, come on, just tell me. What's going on? I've been thinking, what did I do? You haven't even eaten for some days now. Papa, talk to me, okay? What's going on? What's wrong? Papa, it's your baby.
Love you till I die. So this is over. I'll be hoping for touch your heart, and I will love you till I'm weak and gray. I'm gonna love you till I die.
What are you doing here?
I've been calling your dad for days and he's not been responding.
Well, he hasn't been picking your calls because we both want you out of our lives.
Okay. I was worried that maybe he hadn't returned home. And I was worried you might have hurt yourself, but I can see that you're fine. And he's okay, so I'll just take my leave.
Yeah, bye. Wait. He's not fine.
What do you mean he's not fine?
Well, ever since he got back, he hasn't been eating. He hasn't stepped out of his room and he hasn't even gone to work.
Wow. How long has he not been eating?
For 3 days now.
3 days?
Yes.
Nancy, I think your dad is angry with both of us.
Angry? But why? We didn't do anything.
Let me try and make something for him and see if we can convince him to eat.
Okay.
Hey, babe.
Papa? Papa, please, you need to eat.
Babe, I heard you haven't eaten in 3 days. Please, you can't do this to yourself. We're worried about you.
Please. Try and eat something, please. We beg you.
I'm just not hungry, okay? And to be honest, I just want to be left alone. Let me be. I mean that from the depths of my heart.
We're sorry.
Papa, I'm sorry. Look, I was selfish. I mean, you've sacrificed so much for me. I should have cut you some slack and accommodated the woman you love.
It's not just about you. You don't understand.
Maybe I shouldn't have gone into the competition. Maybe I should have just let Nancy have her way. Maybe I should have tried to be a mother figure to her, knowing that she has none. But baby, I didn't even grow up with my mom. I lost her when I was very young and I grew up with my father. I really don't even know what my duties are or how to handle myself. I'm not making excuses for my actions. I am sorry. But I promise you, moving forward, I will make amends. We will make amends.
I love you both with all of my heart. That's why it breaks my heart when you guys are making me have to choose between one of you. I can't. So, I need time. I need time to heal. And Nancy, like you said, maybe this idea of me thinking that you both live in peace is going to stay in my imagination. I kind of like it there.
No, Papa, I'm sorry. Papa, I didn't mean that. I'm sorry.
We're sorry. Nancy. I didn't mean it when I said I didn't like you. I mean, how can I not like you? You're so beautiful. You're Darius' daughter.
I really don't know if I like you, but I guess we started off on the wrong foot.
I mean, we can remedy that.
How?
I will go back and knock, and you and I will reintroduce ourselves, and we'll give each other a chance, a second chance at life and at this relationship. Hold on. Knock, knock.
I'm coming.
Hi. Hello.
Hi.
My name is Rebecca, and I am Darius' girlfriend.
Oh, hi. I'm Nancy. I'm Darius' daughter.
Oh my God, Nancy! You're so beautiful. I didn't know you were this big.
Thank you. And you are super gorgeous as well.
Thank you.
Now I know why my father is so crazy about you.
Thank you. Okay. No, it's not time. It's not time. It's not time, Nancy.
Come on,
It's not.
Okay, fine. You see what's gonna happen is that I am gonna leave the kitchen for you to do your cooking, then I'm gonna come and do the eating.
Gracious God, that's what I've been trying to tell you since I came into this house. Girl, leave the kitchen for me.
Sorry, Ma.
Okay.
I've learned now.
Finally, you get the memo.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave it for you. Okay, you know what? Just come and continue cutting this.
Yeah, but you have to finish chopping that. What is wrong with you?
I can't put it when I want to put it. Let me just leave it for
put
you.
it. Nancy, put it. Put it.
After this, I'm out.
Put it.
Put it somewhere else.
Okay, just a bit.
That. Put it where your hand is taking it back.
You know, so I heard that you dropped out of culinary school because of a little bit teeny winning competition, girl. You better go back and enroll because you see this competition, we will finish it. And I will win.
Oh, really?
Yes.
You think you're competitive? Well, bring it on.
I know I am.
I'm showing you anything. I don't think that it's touching the tip of the iceberg. I'm going to show you.
Why would you drop out of school? Why would you drop out of school?
Out of school, I'm tired.
You know what? Wrap it up.
What? No, I'm not going to do that. You didn't let me put...
Wrap it up. I'm just going to watch you.
Papa, what are you saying about that?
He loves you too. Mwah. Mwah.
You guys is not fair.
Go and finish the cooking.
Go, chef. Make sure you have a chef in your hands there. No, carry me.
Oh my Lord.
Are you serious? Go and finish up the cooking. Please.
But let me say,
let me help you.
So we won't starve.
Nice.
Yeah.
Should I help you chop the pepper?
You better go and hug your husband or your boyfriend, whichever one.
I love you.
I love you.
Hey, oh my God, sorry guys, don't do that.
Yeah.
Get a room, you guys. Oh my God. Stop it! What's that? What room?
What is wrong with you? Nancy!
We quench the storms. Baby, come close and feel my heart beating, beating for you. So me say nobody's gonna break us. Oh, baby, I'm here to stay with you. Nobody's gonna break us. Oh, baby, I'm here to stay with you.
What? After that, I was really sending the picture, right?
Right.
Promise.
Promise.
Hey,
Yeah.
this for you.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, baby.
Thank you. I love that.
Come here. I know
Thank
you
you.
like it. Yeah, squeeze it. You know what, baby?
Yeah.
I got to go now to KFC tomorrow. Alright?
Okay, let me see you off.
No.
Why not?
Look, baby, if you see me off, I want to see you back off. So let's not just go there, okay?
I don't mind.
You don't mind?
I don't.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Come here. I'm gonna miss you, baby.
I'm gonna miss you too.
Yeah.
Oh, so if you had the power to do anything in the world, what would that be?
Power to do anything in the world. I think I'm going to make Nigeria's economy better.
Oh, really?
Tell me, how about you? What would you do?
I'll freeze time so you and I can stay this way forever.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yes.
You want to get tired? Or hungry? Or bored? Wait, hold up. How are you going to make shit like this? I can't do it.
Okay, that's a very valid point.
Exactly. Alright, baby.
You should get going.
Yep, I'll see you. Take care of yourself.
Run along.
No, I want to see you inside the house first. I'll need to see.
No, you leave first. Alright.
Alright, honey.
Bye.
Bye. Take care.
Hey, sis.
You're back.
Look at what Jacob got for me. Just take a look at this.
Oh, wow. This looks interesting. I can't wait to read.
Right.
So which one do you want to read first so I can start with the other one?
When I'm done with one, I'll give it to you.
But how? Let me read one now.
You know it takes me at least 3 days to finish reading a book, but it takes you a month. And I don't want that situation where I'll start begging you to give me.
Well, you have a point. So tell me, did Brad go with you guys?
No, it was just the two of us.
Oh, okay.
Do you like him?
Like who?
Brad, of course.
No, I don't. What do you mean? I was just asking.
Oh, sis, just admit it.
I don't like him. Is it by force?
Really?
I don't. I mean, the guy is cute, but that's that. I don't like him.
Just cute.
Yes, that's it. Leave me alone.
Okay. I'll protest a lot.
Are you sorry?
Oh my God, which one should I start with?
That's your choice, girl.
I think this would do.
Hello? Yeah. I have told you before you cannot come today, come tomorrow. No, I have somebody coming over today, come tomorrow. Tomorrow. Yeah, we're good. Alright, tomorrow.
Hey! Let us make welcome the Roses and Flower Guy. He's in the building. Bad guy.
Roses and Flower Guy. You started, Brad.
That's your name from now on. That is your name from now on. This is how you woo women. You always say roses and flowers. You're forgetting the fact that women don't even believe in that anymore. What they believe in now is cash, euro, pounds, dollar. They even accept cryptocurrency if you don't guess it. So that's what it is.
So really?
Yeah.
The type of girls you like, girls without substance, right?
Even your Annie, she would go for a rich nigga once a rich nigga comes and snap her. She lives.
Brad, please, just stop projecting your nonsense on that people.
So did Mary go with you guys?
What is your picture to marry? Eh? Stay away from that girl, Brad.
I like her.
What do you mean you like her? Brad, listen. She's Annie's sister. I beg you in the name of God. Don't go messing around with her, please. I beg. Beg me. I should beg you.
Yeah.
Beg me.
Beg me. Beg me, Baba.
Stay away from her.
Beg me. Baba, beg me.
Stay away from her.
No beg me, I go carry on. Beg me, nah. Hey, babe.
Hey, babe. You said you were gonna call me.
Yeah, I know. I'm still working. I was going to give you a call when I'm done.
I might go to bed soon.
Alright, I'm sorry. My bad. I'm sorry. Tell me, have you had something to eat?
Yeah.
Interesting. What did you eat?
I had amalani weedu.
For real? You like swallow, eh?
How about you? What did you eat?
Me? Oh, beans and plantain.
You like beans, eh? But it's my worst food.
Madam, come and cook for us, oh.
You can't tell your girlfriend to cook for you, please.
But I don't have a girlfriend.
That's your business. Babe, don't mind him.
Lovers.
Babe, don't mind him more.
Babe, I actually don't mind coming to cook for you.
Hey, babe. if Brad won't take Shafi, she can hire one, okay?
But honestly, I really don't mind.
Listen, scratch all that. Tell me, what were you doing before you called me?
I was reading one of the books you got from me.
Oh, do you like it?
I love it. It's very intriguing.
So tell me when you're going to be done with it. Slow reader. Alright, honey, I'll call you back, okay? Let me just focus on work now, okay? Love you.
Good night, my love. I love you too.
Why is really laughing?
Hey, my guy, see, people don't understand the risks involved in hiring a private investigator like a hacker. They don't.
What have you done this time around?
Okay, see, this man contacted me to hack his wife's phone, but then again, while he wasn't noticing, I hacked into his own phone. Guess what I saw?
Come on, Brad. What's that?
See, it's not as if he's just cheating. He's cheating with other married women. And anybody who asks somebody to hack somebody's phone is also committing a crime.
So, what are you going to do?
How about make some cool cash now?
Brad, you'll be destroying their lives.
See, any married woman who has decided to cheat should be ready for her life to be destroyed.
Come on, but I honestly don't know who hurt you, but come on, and this is too far.
What are you saying? Coming from somebody who's delusionally in love, I beg, is married coming with Annie on the next day.
What are you talking about?
I overheard you on the phone.
Look, Brad, please, I beg you. Stop thinking about this married girl. She's Annie's sister.
Abba, I like this girl. And you know what they said about repentant humanizers? I mean, they make the best of husbands.
Brad, don't go messing around with this girl. I beg you, I beg.
Abba, she could be my one and only for all I care.
Just, look, they're coming on Saturday, okay? But just stay away from Mary, please. For peace to reign, stay away from her. I beg. I'll be watching you, Brad. I swear.
I swear I'm going to hack your phone.
Idiot.
What's this girl? I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting. Sorry. Please, you have to come back in time so you go with me.
Annie, come on, go with you to where? This is your boyfriend. I don't have to go with you to his house.
Please. This is the first time I'll be cooking for him. And you have to be there.
Trust yourself. You don't need me. What am I going to be doing there?
Well, Brad will be there too. You have to give him the opportunity to ask you out.
Oh. Okay, you know what? I'm going to go with you, but only because you need me. Nothing else. Is that clear?
You're the best sister in the whole world. Let's go, we're late. Let's go. Once I'm done in school, I'll be going to the market from there.
That's fine. Let's go.
All right. It's really late.
Jay! J-boy! Whew, J-boy!
Definitely, I know he's not home. I just need to be sure. J-Boy! My brother, my man. What's up? How you doing? What you go by now?
I'm on.
Jay, don't tell me you bought juice for these girls.
Brad, what is wrong with juice?
These girls drink juice all the days of their life. Why would you buy them juice? You know, bought them something different. Maybe like wine. Damn.
Brad, wine?
Yes, now. But see, you're so out of touch. But then again, that's why you've got me, okay? So I bought something for you. I bought wine. Okay, I bought red wine, okay? This is very soft, just like you like it.
Why did you open it?
What are you saying? Would you crucify me for opening it? Me opening it because I should test it and know how it feels. Don't you get it? See, let me tell you something. The difference between wine and juice is the color. This is red. It symbolizes love and passion.
Listen, the only reason why you know what it symbolizes is because you're a womanizer.
No?
Oh, yes, you are.
Well, tell me thank you.
Why?
I mean, for saving your life.
Come to think about it, Brad. Why are you so invested in my relationship?
Haba, because you're my brother and I love you, man.
You love me?
Yes, nah.
I love to kill you there. Brad, let me tell you something, be very careful. Especially with Maria. She's Annie's sister.
Haba.
Brad, I beg.
I don't understand, so you don't trust me?
Be very careful.
Ah! I swear I'm hot. You don't trust me, pain me.
It's not that I don't trust you.
Jay!
I know who you are, Brad. Whoa.
Hello? Oh, okay. I'm just at the junction that leads to the mall. Oh, all right. I'll be waiting.
Where is this girl now? Look at the time.
Hello? Yes, sis.
Annie, where are you? I've been waiting for you.
Yeah, I just finished at the market right now. I'm waiting for a cab. I'll be heading to Jacob's house right now. And I want you to meet me there.
What? You want me to go there on my own?
Please, sis, you've been there before.
I have been there, but not alone.
I promise I won't waste time. I'm already on my way there.
Look, Annie, I'm not comfortable with this at all.
Sis, please now. I'm sorry, okay? Please.
Okay, fine. I'll wait for you there.
All right, thank you. See you.
Hurry up, please.
Come in. Hi.
Hi.
Where is Annie?
She'll be coming from the market. She said I should wait for her here.
Oh, okay, please, have a seat.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So tell me, what can I offer you? I have juice, I have wine, but the wine is very soft though.
The wine is fine. I'll do the wine then.
All right, I'll go get it.
Thank you.
Don't ever let me go. I'm sure able to cross my mind. I love you.
Alright, here you go.
Thank you.
Since you came into my life, it's been so beautiful. Love me, let your lips and mine.
I'm sorry, I was very thirsty.
Oh, that's fine. That's okay.
Yeah.
A little more. So your sister say you're learning programming, right?
Oh, yeah. You're a programmer too, right?
Yes, I am.
That stuff is not easy. All the codes, very difficult.
Yeah, but don't worry. You'll get the hang of it. And soon enough, you're going to enjoy it.
Yeah, I hope so.
I'm so sorry.
You look tired.
Yeah, that's because I work all night and I didn't get any chance to rest at the office today. I think that's what's causing it.
Well, I think you should go get some rest. When my sister comes, she's gonna wake you up when she's done cooking.
No, I'm fine. It'd be rude to just leave you here like this.
No, that's fine. You can barely keep your eyes open. I'll just drink some wine and watch TV to entertain myself. You can go rest.
You sure?
Is Brad around?
Yeah, speaking of Brad. Brad! Brad! He should be in his room.
Oh, okay.
Or maybe he stepped out when I was inside. I don't know. He should be somewhere around. You know him.
It's really okay. Go get some rest.
Okay, thank you. I'm very sorry.
It's
okay?
fine.
I'm sorry.
Nature. You really can't cheat nature.
Wethiritwo gichwana aria ukagura mabati ya kuimba nyumba yaku na style iria ukwenda. Je, unatafuta elimu bora yenye ujuzi wa kipekee? Karibu Embu College, chuo kinachoongoza katika taaluma mbalimbali. Tunasajili wanafunzi waliopata C kufanya diploma, D kufanya certificate na waliopata D minor na E kufanya artisan courses. Jisajili leo ili upate kufanya courses zifuatazo: School of Accounting and Business, School of Engineering, School of ICT and Computer Science, School of Education, School of Cosmetology, Caregiver Training, Driving courses na zinginezo. Wanafunzi wetu wamekubalika kufanya mtihani wa NEC, SIDAC na ule wa NITA. Tunajivunia vilabu na jamii za wanafunzi zenye msisimko zinazosaidia kukuza vipaji vyako, uongozi na mtandao wa marafiki wa maisha. Wahitimu wetu ni vinara katika sekta mbalimbali, wakiongoza na kuleta mabadiliko makubwa. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu kupitia 0721 152 709 au 0741 871 257. Au tembelea website yetu ili uweze kujiunga nasi. Embu College, skills to go places. Nukurina ukaborero kirumaganto kanjara chiaku maririte JJ Place Restaurant netwe achore ba kubabata torichuka town akwena Southern Star Sacco na aditingo gebeto bari na ogena umenyobogo tungatera customer aja neturugaga na kwendirie bya mithemba mwanya ta chicken soup, fish, osbuko na kinya bya kore bya ontwere nkoroki turi na gonto gwa kunyorokia nyomba cha kugitera michemanio car wash na garden ni onto babyudhrano na byatho komenya manto nkoroki turi ongero bichine aja JJ Place kana toringire thimo gokorokera 0726 295 349 email ni jenga.jamii@gmail.com. Nwethere gichwana aria ukagura mabati ya kuimba nyomba yaku na style kwenda Duralong Mabati Factory Limited tori aja ni ondobu waku nitondagia mabati ja rangi mwanya na ja mithemba mwanya ta Duralong Tile, Box Profile, Durahome kana corrugated, Duralong Roman Tile na magori ja kuguna mukojo waku.
Beta wa Muthomi kuma Duralong Mabati ni operations manager arengende quality control officer. Duralong Mabati tubwetha cia mabati ya mithemba mwanya na rangi mwanya kuna rangi ya blue, charcoal grey ni ringi mbingi rowisi. Tubwetha cia no accessories yayo ya ridges tunaona kinya misumari na rubber washers. Tuita mabati yetu kulingana na ithimi bya nyumba yeku.
Nkoroki netukamataira ateja betu mabati mwankamochi Duralong tori Isiolo barabareni ya kuerekera Isiolo Airport. Komenya manto nkoroki tori ongero bichine chieto kana toringire dhimo kukurokera 0110 581 292. Duralong Mabati Factory Limited. Tested, approved and trusted. Ugeja kwithira nugo chwanto aega akorea agonywa ona kuthithiria michemanio ukabiona bionthe Pix Hotel na Nyuki. Pix Hotel ni thagiro wairi na nyomba chia kurara na indhongi chia mithembe thatu standard, superior na executive. Koroki kuri na nyomba chia michemanio chiomba kujuki kundi bianto magana jairi rooftop nayo ni thagiro iri na kwa ukara na ukionaga Mount Kenya, Abadeas Regis na Lodaiga Hills. Kairi Pix Hotel ni thagirwa iri na gym, swimming pool ya Rogerwa Murutera, steam bath, sauna, wana massage na beauty parlor, outdoor fitness center nayo iri na kieni michezo na team building, kuthithia michemanio, merano ona biatho. Oku ukethiro na low ropes, high ropes, zipline na outdoor gym. Anto bomba kuthithia camping na maema oku. Pix Hotel bali na kambi mwitone jo Mount Kenya na aria baikagianto kuthithia forest camping na kuthoma mantu jama ingija guchia kakirime karie na mitorire. Nkoroki ni babangaga guitia kirema kia Mount Kenya mwanka point elenana iria iri mita ngirinya magana kenda ja 85 kuma level ya area. Pix Hotel na Nyuki iri kilomita 3 mbere ya gukinya tauni ya Nanyuki umite Bwamero. Kumenya manto nkoroki ringa thimo gukorokera 0711 969 690 kana 0782 426 689. Email ni info@pixhotel.co.ke na website ni www.pixhotels.co.ke. Pix Hotel na Nyuki, beauty and taste with nature. Soro ya mwathani yerekerete RGM lare Jumapili eje.
Hallelujah, amen. Mukari warare nirio riu nande Miro TV mubango juko kumia na Dhere FM mubango jo metameta itwejete lare kungo au kwenu na itugo kugwata ugeni ndani ya kanisa ya Righteousness of God Ministry ile tongeretwe ni Reverend Ibrahim.
Tutakuwa live Meru TV hapa kanisani, kanisa ya RGM, ukifika Lare.
Muthenya jwa kiumia giki mweri jwa kathatu ara tukethira tuli live denia TV yetu ya Meru TV ngakugwata ugedi kuma ntere mwanya awijie tuigorote toturi amwe tukenanire amwe na nkruki tumenyane amwe rietwenere ya Yesu Kristo ejano kejori wenka karibuni sana.
Jeni nyumba ya baba ya RGM tokumie.
Mana niko tuli nimetulia, we unagabaya. I'm not forsaken, ever alone. The God of heaven called me his own. He's not just seated upon the throne. I know he's right here inside of my home. I've got a treasure here in my heart, and in my weakness it won't depart. I have a Savior who will abide. He's not just with me, he lives inside. Just go ask Daniel if our God will bring you out, and he will testify. He shuts the lion's mouth. Go ask those Hebrew boys if he'll stick by your side. They will identify. There's another in the fire. Faith to endure the flame.